Yo, robot revolution fanatics, forget the Terminator nightmares, scrap the Skynet paranoia, because the future of robotics is squishy? Buckle up, meatbags, because soft robots are here and they're about to change the game. Unlike their clunky metal cousins, these robots are made of flexible materials like silicone and rubber. Think of them like living origami, able to morph, squeeze, and wiggle their way into places rigid robots only dream of. Imagine a robot surgeon gently navigating your insides, a search and rescue bot slithering through rubble, or even a robot dog that cuddles back when you're sad. But wait, there's more. These aren't just fancy party tricks. Soft robots are opening doors to fields we never thought possible. Imagine exploring coral reefs without harming fragile ecosystems, robots delivering medicine directly to diseased cells, or even prosthetics that move and feel as naturally as your own limb. Now don't get me wrong, it's not all sunshine and silicone rainbows. Building these soft marvels is tricky. Imagine trying to control a blob of jello with your mind. Plus, materials research is still in its early stages, so these robots aren't exactly Iron Man strong yet. But hey, progress takes time, and the potential benefits are mind-boggling. And let's be honest, wouldn't it be hilarious to see a robot flailing around like a floppy noodle? Plus, think of the memes. Soft robots are basically living, breathing emojis waiting to happen. So the next time you see a robot in a movie, don't just think about laser beams and robot uprisings. Think squishy, adaptable, and potentially life-changing. The soft robot revolution is coming, and it's going to be way weirder and cooler than you ever imagined. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to go find a giant inflatable T-Rex costume for my next soft robot experiment. Because science! Smash that like button, subscribe for more robot-y goodness, and let me know in the comments below. What's your dream application for a soft robot? We might just make your sci-fi dreams a reality, or at least a hilarious YouTube video.